Today I'm going to show you how to use a stick welder to lay down the bead on a piece of metal. But first of all, we'll go over safety. You want to make sure, of course, you have your safety glasses on. Even though you are wearing a welding helmet, you still want to make sure you have safety glasses on underneath it for extra precautions. Make sure you're wearing welding gloves or some kind of protective over your arms so you don't get the slag or any kind of metal coming up and burning your skin. You don't need that. Make sure that you have, before you start welding, make sure you have your machine grounded. You can either ground it to the material you're welding, or you can weld it to your table. Have your area clean. Make sure you have a little slag hammer to take care of after you clean up your bead. Okay, so what I'm going to use is I'm going to use a E6013 welding rod on this. It's meant for your thinner metals. And I'm just going to show you how to lay down a simple bead. Before I do that, I'm going to explain how you're going to do it. So first thing you're going to do is, with your machine off, of course, to get your bead start going, you'll strike it across the metal surface. And once your little stick lights up, has a little cherry, you'll see a little puddle start forming, and you just move that puddle further and further down the metal until you have your bead. So without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and show you how to do that. Oh, another thing, depending on how thick your metal is the amperage you'll use. This is pretty thin metal, so I'm going to bump it up to 75. That should be about the highest I'll need for this. If not, I'll turn it back down to 60. Go ahead and stop.